Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
This delightful home delivers an outstanding low-maintenance lifestyle with its versatile design, impressive features and wonderfully convenient location. Beyond a stunning facade complete with charming veranda, the home's gorgeous interior boasts an inviting entrance hallway accessing 2 spacious bedrooms, master with walk-in robe and full ensuite, sleek modern bathroom, elegant lounge leading through to the light-filled dining area and contemporary kitchen, which is complete with Caesar stone benchtops, soft-closed drawers, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances and 900mm Smegg oven. Ducted heating, split system air conditioners, towering ceilings, Euro laundry and polished floorboards all add to the appeal, as well as a substantial backyard garden, decked area and car garage. Within minutes to Eastland Shopping Centre, Ringwood train station, Maroondah Hospital, primary schools, Norwood Secondary College and Eastlink, this beautifully presented home, both inside and out, would suit the astute investor, first home buyer or downsizer. With abundant charm and style, this home delivers all the essentials for easy, low-maintenance living. Inspect and we can assure you will not be disappointed.
At Biggin and Scott Knox, we deliver.